What's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to remove the front piece seat cover off a stock 23 to 25 Yamaha 450 and the 24-25 YZ250F. We're going to put on a new front piece on this gas cap cover. First we're going to go ahead and just take a screwdriver and push these little pull tabs in like that. Don't stab yourself. Like that. Now we've got the front piece separate from the main piece of the seat. Put the main piece aside. Now we're gonna go ahead, you gotta pop this little clip out. Sometimes you can do it with your hand, sometimes you gotta use a screwdriver, or sometimes a set of pliers. Most of the time, just like that, get it over the little ridge, and it kind of makes a little funky bend like that, and you don't really have to worry later. You can just flatten it back out when you go to put it on later. You want to get it as flat as possible. Set that aside, don't lose it. Put it up here, and then this front pin just comes out.
Give the master a watch. I want to see these things too.
I'm doing a how-to video. Do you want to find out how to do this? Jake wants to learn too, everybody. Here we go. So now we've got the front pin out. We're gonna go ahead and pop all the staples out now.
Shitload of staples.
Too many fucking staples, Yamaha. Lighten up, Yamaha. Too many fucking staples. Cool. All right, now that we got all these staples out, peel the edges. Now, this little thing is actually attached right here. So what we're gonna do is just pull hard and rip it off. You can use a razor blade if you want, but honestly, I just take it, pull it, just like that. That's all you really need to do, because the new cover is going to cover it up. Take that thing, throw it in the trash. Get these staples, we're going to throw them in the trash. Honey, can you stop vacuuming for a moment? I'm doing an install video.
Okay, fine.
Now, we're going to open up Buttery's package. That sounded weird. Custom seat cover. This is actually for his giveaway bike. Inside, we always include a front piece. Damn, that's pretty. What's up, bird? You want to be part of this install video with me? Alright, so we're going to stretch on this new front piece here. We're in the future, baby. I'm recording this with my Ray-Ban Meta collab glasses. Ray-Ban and Meta, I would love to collab with you guys. If you could just sponsor me, send me a few more pairs. I'll create the dopest content. All sorts of how to install seat cover videos. Alright. So, we'll make sure this hole is lined up. We pre-drill the hole for you, so you don't have to. Let's get it nice and centered. Alright, we're ready to drop some staples in. So again, always make sure your hole's lined up. We're going to drop a couple staples here. Be careful, make sure you hit where the foam is. You don't want to put any staples right here. Go 2 there, just like a normal seat cover. Pull tight to the back, line up that hole. Put 3 there. Holes lined up. Now we'll go to the sides. Over to this side. Cool. Fill in the gaps. See that? Way less staples than the Yamaha stock cover comes with. You don't need to put a million. Almost done. Go over to this side. It's a little tricky in here with this plastic piece, but you just kind of got to work around it. Put one there. One there. It helps to use a staple gun that's got a long nose to kind of get in this crevice. If you don't, it's alright, but definitely easier. That. And that is how you put on the front piece. All stapled on. You can trim this up a little bit if you want to. I'm going to go ahead and do it. Get that giveaway winner all dialed in, nice and pretty. Fresh blades, slices like butter. Nice and buttery. See what I did there? This side's actually good. Now let's take this pin, put it right back in, holes lined up so it goes in super sweet. Take this little guy, and you can normally just use your fingers to push him on, and you're good. So sit right in that groove. Bam, ready to install. I'm gonna install the rest of this thing, but you guys already know how to do that. Oh, cheers. Bye. Well, since we're here, I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how to do the main piece of the seat to get it looking pretty. All right, all the staples out of this stock cover. Bye. Now let's put on this freshie. As always, slide it on the front first. Get it nice and centered. These Yamaha ones are developed to fit perfectly. So pull it around tight to the back. Kind of hook this Cordura fabric around the back there. Nice. Drop a couple staples in the front. Nice and centered. Tight to the back. Couple staples in the back. Move it up to the center of the seat. Pull evenly to both sides.
We're going me to run these. Yeah.
Right. Get a couple more in here. That's how you do it. Give this thing a little trim. That's how you do it. How are we looking?
Building that whole thing? Oh, you're the man. Bro. Check that out. Seeking thrills daily. There's no way I'm slipping with this bad boy. One of the best in the business right here. Come on. From the boss man himself. Thank you, brother.
Yeah, dude.